Headsets and on-ear earphones are in trend right now, and they simply adds up some more style statement. So welcome back to Tegonity Studio. This is Divya, and today we are going to unbox and review this Raegr Airbeats 500 wireless Bluetooth sports headphone. So now let's first unbox it, and then we will talk about some more features and its specifications. They are an on-ear pair of headphones with Raegr's signature overall minimalist design and adds sportiness to your personality. That is it about for the design aspect in simple terms. As the Airbeats 500 are on-ear in terms of form factor, they just sits adequately on the ear while also encapsulating the outer ridges of the ear both at the same time. This allows them to confidently be used while walking and working out or even running without any annoyance and discomfort. The Raegr Airbeats 500 supports Bluetooth technology V5.0 and allows aux-in connectivity too. The high-performance Bluetooth 5.0 chip provides ultra-stable connection, faster pairing, and universal compatibility, so you can enjoy your music and make the phone calls with joy anywhere. With Raegr Airbeats 500 Bluetooth headphones, you can enjoy stable transmission as wired ones, provides a perfect thumping bass without overpowering the highs and mids, so you can enjoy the clear vocals with perfect balance. This Airbeats 500 has quick control over music and call. You can just adjust the volume and change the tracks, play and pause the music via headphone, because this built-in microphone offers hands-free calling so conveniently. This Raegr Airbeats 500 headset can be placed on ears with adjustable slide design. The easy side control access with integrated controls centered around the multifunction made to manage music and calls. This Raegr Airbeats 500 Bluetooth headset has a playtime of 10 hours and the charging time lasts up to 2.5 hours only, and is compatible with most of the smartphones, PCs and your tablets also. Its IPX4 sweat-proof shell protects the headset effectively from sweat and rain during intense workouts. Even the sporty ear cushions are washable, and any dirt accumulating on them over time can be easily washed off and the cushions are felt new again. And you can just choose your favorite red or green cushion with your order, as we have ordered the red one for us. The Airbeats 500 also provides you one pouch in the package to help you keep your headphone just free and safe to carry. The Raegr Airbeats 500 also comes with 1 year limited warranty against only the manufacturing defects only. This Raegr Airbeats is quite impressive in terms of overall quality. So this is it for this Raegr Airbeats 500 wireless Bluetooth sports headphone. We avail the link of the same in the description box of this video, just in case you love to check out one for yourself. So this is it for this video. If you like this video and the information, then hit the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel and tap to the bell icon to not miss the very next upload, because in coming days we are going to bring some more gadget reviews and pieces of information like this. So see you soon. Till then, goodbye. Take care.